Good morning. It is Tuesday and it is alignment day. Looks like the road's clear from down where I live here on 26. Heading up to Hendersonville to Downtown Tire, the same place I took Richard's Model 3. They're a very capable bunch, so we're heading up there today. Going to get the Model Y aligned. Hasn't been aligned since I got it in early 2020. I put 26,000 miles on it. I noticed when I rotated the tires, the inside of the front tires had a little bit of cupping on the inside of the front tires. So I'm going to go get it aligned before my trip to Wyoming. So let's go. It sure looks like a nice day today. I think it's going to be warm though. It's 74 degrees and it's just 8 o'clock here. I suspect it'll be in the high 80s. Hey, look at this. They finally striped this road. It means I can go on autopilot. Yeah, autopilot likes lines, of course. Well, that's okay. Scottish breakfast place getting a facelift, but they're still open. Drive-thru's still open. How about that? Yeah, we're out at here on 26. Kind of cool looking. Just a little past 8 a.m. We get off here, Upward Road, and we'll go across country here to downtown Hendersonville. It's easiest. I remember there was times here on Upward Road you'd never find anybody. I think everybody's moved to town here in Hendersonville now. You can see the shortcut here that we're going to take, which is this little shortcut right here. It bisects this whole section, so this is where we go. You don't have to fight that intersection at 176 and Upward Road. It's a cute little bypass. And just like that, we're out on Highway 76. Make that 176. Yeah, it's the same highway that runs through Hendersonville and all the way down through South Carolina. We're south of downtown, but we're going to go around to the east side here now, where we're going. We're on the east side of downtown Hendersonville here. It's been here a while, I think. All right.
Your destination is on the right.
We are here. I think we made it. I'm on the way back from Downtown Tire in Hendersonville, North Carolina. The guys did a great job. A shout out to Brian, the technician that worked on my car. It was slightly out of alignment and now it's right on. Thanks, Brian. You did a fine job. If you liked this video, go ahead and click the like, click subscribe, and don't forget to click the bell icon to not miss anything going forward. If you'd like to buy yourself a Tesla, the referral link shown at the bottom of the screen gets you 1,000 miles or 1,500 kilometers of free supercharging. Thanks for watching. I'll look for you again and take care.